Hello everyone, today we are gonna study Baduk in 5 minutes. If you are a beginner, I promise you can learn what Baduk is in 5 minutes. So please be patient and watch for this video, and after you watch this video, then you will get the concept. Oh, this is a Baduk. That's why people are enjoying to play for this game. You will think like that. After the Google company, they made up the AlphaGo, and Baduk get much more attention from the many people. But still, Baduk education is always difficult. When we are learning for this game, it takes quite a long time to understand how we can complete the one game. Even though when I teach the kids, then actually it's same. But today, my mission is just trying to teach you in 5 minutes very quickly and easy way. Yeah, so let's just start from now. Black just plays a one move here, then always we can't play two times in one time. White has to play, and then when we have just like the fighting and just try to capture each other, but if black just surround here one more time, black can capture this white one stone. You can see that when black plays here, white one stone is surrounded by black, so now black has a right to capture this one stone away. And after that, even white just keep trying to fight, but he doesn't know how to fight. Even the white just escape. The first line is a dead line, so white has a limit to go out. And finally, black can capture three stone one more time. You can see that when black goes here, we don't have to block here this area. So now black has a right to capture again like this. So you can see that black's territory is getting bigger. This is called the black's territory. The reason why you might feel a bit difficult, this is illegal. We can't get in here right now. We cannot suicide by ourselves. But here it's possible to play. When white plays here, there is one more liberty. But even the white get in here, then black can capture this white stone. That's why after that, eventually white has no right to get in anymore. So we can say that this is a black's territory. Yeah, so if white just plays like that, keep play on like this, but black can keep capture. Now, as you've seen it, black is winning a lot. Black has a big territory. Even black captures white stones for 8 stones of the white. But when just white continue to play at the other place, black might think like, yeah, I understand. If I just play like the stable way, then I'm not gonna be captured by my opponent. So he might play like turtle move, and the white start to play the rabbit, and black just try to make territory very slowly, and then we can share like this for many steps, and black just keep try to make the very small house. Yeah, like this. And then when we just complete to make this territory, and even black just put some stone into his territory like that, then you can see that suddenly white territory is getting bigger. Black captured white 8 stones, but even like that, then white is winning. Still, you might ask me why white is winning. I don't understand. Black can still get in, invade to white territory. Yeah, that's right. So white just put here when black get in. If white doesn't know how to handle for this one stone, then white might be very nice like this, and then here, this. And suddenly black just got 2 eyes like that. You can see the 2 spaces of the black's territory, which means now if white put here, this is not possible. When white get in here, black has one more liberty here, but white number 60, it doesn't have a liberty. So this is kind of suicide, so it doesn't make sense. Even though white put here, then it doesn't make sense as well. So now, even though black's group is surrounded by white, black is no problem. When black has more than separate of the 2 eyes. This group has many eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eyes. Is it? Yes. So now this group is totally okay, but even this group is okay. So now, still you might fear, oh, okay, I understand. So now this is not white territory anymore. And then white put here one more time. Still black might get into white territory. And then white this time, white just try to attack, and just like white was literally nice, white doesn't really surround. And then even though black just got the 1 eye here, this time it's different. Black can't really escape. Then finally, when black has a 1 eye, then white has a right to capture this group. So you can see that even though black tried very hard, and if black cannot make 2 eyes, then now this is exactly white territory. which means that this area, even white has had a chance to kill this black as well. Just I was nice for black. And for this one stone, even though you just move on, black can't have two eyes anymore. So I can say now I already completed to finish to play the game. So this is a black's area and the white area, and this is a black's area. I can say this is a black's territory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Black has a 10 point. And the white has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 point. White is winning 1 point, but I couldn't show you one thing. For this game, white captured 8 stone of the black. Just I couldn't show you about the capturing stone because of this is the I'm using the program, and the black captured white 8 stones as well. For that 8 stone is become their territory as well, because white captured the 8 stone. Now I'm holding the black stone, is it? Yeah, so now I can use that my capturing stone to make opponent territory smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I captured his stones, so I just put here. So eventually black got two house. I can say 2 points. 2 points is the right word. And then black also captured white 8 stones. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So finally you can see that white has a 3 point and black has a 1 point. So I can say white won 1 point for this game. This time I will not teach you the many of the rules, just I can teach you simply what Baduk was. It was literally over than 5 minutes, maybe about nearly 7 minutes. Anyway, yeah, if you understand simply, we have to study capturing concept and then territory concept as well. Of course, after we get this concept, then we have to learn many skill and then logic as well. Yeah, I hope you to enjoy, and it will be helpful for you if you are a beginner. Thank you very much for watching for this video. I'm gonna make more useful video next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.